Hidden deep within the Cambrian mountains of Wales, where the river Moonach carves its way through an ancient gorge, stands a place wrapped in mystery: Devil's Bridge. A place where nature's beauty and Welsh folklore have become forever entwined. Legend tells of an elderly woman who lived alone on the far side of the raging river. Her only possession of real value was her cow. It provided her with milk, butter, and the means to survive. One evening, as darkness crept across the valley, the cow wandered across the river and became stranded. The river below was wild and unforgiving. The gorge was too steep to climb. There was no bridge, and no safe way to reach the animal. Heartbroken, and believing she had lost everything, the old woman broke down in despair. As if summoned by her desperation, a mysterious stranger appeared from the shadows. He offered her a bargain. "I will build you a bridge across this impossible gorge before sunrise. But in return, the first living soul to cross it will belong to me." With no other choice, she accepted. Throughout the night, the stranger worked with impossible speed. As dawn broke over the valley, a magnificent stone bridge stretched across the gorge. The stranger revealed his true identity: the devil. Certain he had claimed his prize, he waited patiently. But the old woman had one final trick. Reaching into her apron, she threw a small piece of bread across the bridge. Her faithful dog raced after it without hesitation. The devil watched in disbelief. The first living creature had crossed, but it was not the old woman. Outwitted, his furious roar echoed through the valley before he disappeared into the depths below. Centuries have passed since that legend was first told. The original bridge was later joined by two more, creating the remarkable three bridges that stand here today. The waterfalls continue to thunder through the gorge. The ancient woodland still clings to the cliffs, and visitors from around the world come to experience one of Wales's most extraordinary landscapes. Whether history shaped the legend or the legend shaped the history, Devil's Bridge remains one of the most captivating places in Wales, where every step across the stone carries the echoes of a story that has endured for generations.